So here we have ourselves a voice control replacement remote control for your Fire Stick. It is great and compatible for a lot of the smart TVs that we have nowadays. You get your power button. The best thing about this is that this replacement comes with voiceover. So you pretty much just press that and tell Alexa or your Fire Stick what you need and what it needs to do. You have your up, down, side to side, your selection button, your play, your mute, your home button, volume up, channels up, and then you have yourselves your apps right here. So for quick and easy access to Netflix, you just press it here and it takes you to the app. But again, the great feature is that it does voiceover, so you can control everything just by pressing this button and telling the remote control what you'd like it to do on your TV. Put Disney Plus on.
Here's Disney Plus.
Okay, now